Call it the Mini G6, the new mid-range LG Q6 looks and feels a lot like the company's flagship phone. It has a similar bezel-less, immersive display and it's got a nearly identical interface. Of course, when you are talking about a mid-range phone like this new Q6, sold at half the price of the LG G6, you know some compromises have been made. Rather than having high-performance silicon under the hood, the Q6 is powered by the entry-level Snapdragon 435 system chip and it lacks the fancy dual-camera system of the G6. It's not water-protected either. Also, it does not have a fingerprint scanner. Instead, it supports face recognition, but can it really replace the speed, convenience and accuracy of a fingerprint reader? We look at this and all other interesting details around the new LG Q6 right below. The LG Q6 looks a lot like the flagship G6, but it is not made of the same premium materials. Reassuringly, the frame is made of durable, Series 7000 aluminum that definitely gives the phone a more solid feeling. The Q6 is MIL STD810G certified and LG emphasizes that its aluminum frame and some bezel is there to protect it from easily shattering and from damage on impact. Reassuringly, the Q6 has passed 12 MIL STD810G tests, including a transit drop test. However, the back is made of plastic and in real life it scratches extremely easily. On day 2 of our journey with the phone, the back was already badly scratched, and we never dropped it or did anything extreme to it. What we really like about the Q6 is just how compact it feels for a phone with a 5.5-inch screen. It is just barely bigger than the 4.7-inch iPhone 7 in terms of physical dimensions. This new compact design might be all the rage with flagships, but when it comes to affordable phones, the Q6 is the only one to have such a feature. The phone is available in a choice of 4 colors: Terra Gold, Ice Platinum, Mystic White, and Astro Black, and we have the black one up for review.